excellent condition, LOW miles, 33,131. Great fuel ECONO 28 mpg highway/20 mpg city. TSX trim. Sunroof, leather seats, Bluetooth, satellite radio, dual zone ARPA carrot, multi-CD changer, overhead airbag, alloy wheels, heated mirrors and more. Purchase with confidence is certified. Approximately original base sticker price, $28,200. Key features include heated leather seats, heated mirrors, sunroof, satellite radio, Bluetooth, multi-CD changer, aluminum wheels, dual-zone ARPA carrot remote trunk release, keyless entry, child safety locks, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control. TSX with premium white pearl exterior and ebony leather seats features a 4-cylinder engine with 205 horsepower at 7,000 RPMs. Vehicle Reviews Edmunds.com explains it's hard to find a better value in the entry-level luxury sedan market than the Acura TSX. This Acura's blend of attractive styling, refinement, high-tech features and fun driving dynamics at a low price is tough to beat. 5-star driver front crash rating. 5-star driver side crash rating. 5-star passenger front crash rating. 4-star passenger side crash rating. 4-star rollover rating. Great gas mileage, 28 mpg highway. Powered.com Power Circle ratings, overall performance and design, 4 Power Circles, overall initial quality study, 4.5 Power Circles. www.power.com OUR offerings. Prone vehicles are covered by the Lawrenson Advantage, including extended warranties and free services. For more information go to www.lawrenson.com/Lawrenson-Advantage.